Hello everyone, welcome to our live broadcast. My name is Larry Poltavtsev. I'm co-founder of the Learnix Center. We are offering IT training courses in software testing and quality assurance. Also, we offer internship opportunities, and actually, that's why I'm visiting today the CEO and the president of the GovAcs LLC.
GovAcs LLC.
GovAcs LLC, thank you, Dmitry. His name is Dmitry Butilkov. And Dmitry, would you like to tell us a little bit about your company?
Oh, sure. First of all, thank you very much for visiting me in my office today. So my company specialized on high-level accounting consulting services for government contractors. And typically we are working with different government agency like Department of Defense, the State Departments, National Scientific Foundation, and other government agencies. And I'm working with small, kind of average size businesses. Usually they have 10 to 40 employees with annual revenue from 10 to $40 million. And I start to working on some accounting software which is highly customized for government contractors. There is no any kind of good solution to do accounting for government contractors, and I'm talking about some financial calculation. And I outsource IT services, and the problem that I'm facing it that programmers are not accountants. Right. And whatever idea I have to explain, I have to educate them, I have to explain, and they have to design the system. Well, unfortunately, from my side, it doesn't work very well, and I start to looking for different opportunities, different options, and I search Google, and lucky me, I found you. And I understand the company is located here in Fort Lauderdale area. And I'm especially interested probably to start to use Internship to do a test on, to hire testers to test my accounting software that's still in process. And it would be interesting to hear what kind of services you can offer for me that will benefit my company. In a few words.
Well, thank you so much for doing your research and coming to Learning Center. What we can do is that we can comprise a team of software testers from our recent graduates and give them to you so that they can test the program according to your business specifications, and then we will coordinate with your software development team. I understand that you outsourced to create a unique accounting system for your clients, and we will be happy to assist you with that, and we'll be happy to test and provide you with a report on how well your financial system is functioning, and if any updates or corrections are necessary, and if the updates and any kind of bugs are detected in the system, then we will coordinate with your software development providers, and they will correct that, and we can fix this.
Let me ask you questions. I did just a little bit research, and I listen a lot of radio, and mostly what I understand, testers. My question is it kind of, when you are teaching to test a program, are you targeting any specific industry, let's say gaming industry, retail industry, I don't know, aviation industry? Because accounting, it's a big industry, but not in kind of software. So my question to you, is it kind of, will you do custom training for specific industry or not? Or it's a more broad area?
Well, generally speaking, software testers are able to test any kind of software. But this is a very good question. Our students, they come from all walks of life. And we do have over 7 years that we've been teaching this course and training people. We've seen a lot of interesting cases. Indeed, there are students who come to our center from different backgrounds. For example, we've seen students who came from a medical billing background. We've seen students who came from chemistry background. We've seen people coming from automotive background. And oddly enough, a lot of those people end up working for the companies in their subject area expertise field. However, well, they are working as software testers and typically, well, working for much larger salary. We had people who came to us, for example, from a chemistry background, and the reason why they did that is that they were unhappy with the salary that they were getting. So they got educated in IT, and then another chemical company hired that person for their IT department. However, the big plus was the expertise in chemistry in addition to the software.
So I have a good chance that some person with accounting background can take your classes and work for us, for example, yeah?
Absolutely, you're absolutely right, because we do have people from accounting background coming to the Learning Center as well, such as bank tellers and, like I said, medical billing professionals and many others.
So what about the program by itself? What they're going to study first? Just a few words about studying process. So first probably is going to be introduction, because let's assume I'm going to take your classes. I have very basic, I can say kind of advanced computer skills, but nothing more. We are talking about Word, Excel, spreadsheets, some other stuff. What is process of education and my skills? Is it enough to start on?
Well, I think you're even overqualified to be a tester. But, I mean, definitely with your background, and you can definitely transition into IT industry fairly easily. The program is designed for non-IT people. The thing is that this particular occupation does not require programming or coding, so it would be fairly easy to teach you how to do that. Basically, as you will see during our internship exercise, we're giving technical specifications to the team of our recent graduates, and they will sit down as you would sit down in front of your computer, open your accounting system. They pretend to be you basically, and they will go and click through the menus, and when they see an error or something is not working the way you wanted that to work, they will make a screenshot and they will prepare a report.
Okay, my other questions, once again, I'm not sure, I didn't talk to a programmer's guy that I'm working with. So is it some standard software that all testers are using? Because once again, my primitive understanding that maybe my guys are using one software and you're training on different kind of software, or there is no any difference.
Well,
do you understand what I mean?
Yes, when it comes to manual testing, I mean there is no
there is no any tools.
Well, there are some tools where that you use to report the bugs and do the tracking and logging in your results and so forth. There are tools, of course, but generally the word manual means that you're doing it manually. Pleasure to meet you, and
Same here. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Very nice.